What's up, Colorado Realtors? I'm Scott Peterson. Thank you for joining me for another unintended last-minute edition of Legal Bites. It's Friday the 20th of November, about 4:15 in the afternoon. And I definitely feel like we're back in March and April where these things feel like everything changes every minute. So quite unexpectedly, just within the last hour or so, there was an amendment to the public health order, 4-level red, and it added the possibility of doing open houses under level red for level red communities. And their language is individual under field services for the definition, individual real estate showings are authorized, and open houses may operate with only one household in the property at a time. So, not being one to have, bad or non-updated information floating around out there for an entire weekend, I wanted to get this put together. So all the discussion we were having earlier about open houses in level red counties, apparently within the public health order, they are now allowed if there's only one household in the property at a time. I don't know exactly what that means, to be honest with you. I guess if you're the listing or the agent holding the open house, you need to exit the property so that at any given time, there's only one household within the property. Certainly couldn't have, I don't know how you qualify that whoever's coming into the open house are all a matter of the same household. I'll leave that to you guys. I still think it's risky business probably, but hey, it is available now in red counties as of literally just within the last hour and a half. And I wanted you guys to understand that as we go into the weekend here. So open houses available, individual real estate showings are authorized, and open houses may operate with only one household in the property at a time as a field service under level red. There you have it. You can go start putting your open house signs out onto the street corners and have at it. But again, I don't mean to make light of it. Just do things with the utmost caution as we're going into this this new red level and still transitioning. So I'm going to leave it there, and hopefully that's good news for you guys. Again, just use caution. Have a great weekend, and I'm going to go have a beer. Thanks, guys.